Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to our channel, Treasure Town. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot. It helps this channel grow and allows us to continue bringing you fascinating stories hidden inside ordinary coins. Friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined that a small, ordinary-looking coin could change someone's life? A coin you might have ignored, spent, or dropped into a jar without a second thought. Believe it or not, there are coins that were once worth just a few cents, forgotten by almost everyone. Today, some of those same coins are worth thousands of dollars, and in rare cases, even more. If you have never heard stories like this before, stay with me, because today's story may completely change the way you look at your pocket change. Let us travel back in time. Imagine holding a penny that looks completely ordinary. It is copper brown. It is slightly worn. It feels light in your hand. The face of Abraham Lincoln looks calm and familiar. It is the kind of image you have seen 1,000 times before. Nothing about this coin demands attention. Nothing tells you to stop and look closer. And yet, hidden inside this small piece of metal is a story filled with quiet mistakes. It is a story of forgotten history. It is a story of unexpected value. This is the story of a 1949 no-mint Mark Lincoln wheat penny. To understand this penny, you have to step back into the year 1949. The world was still healing from the Second World War. The war had ended only 4 years earlier. America was rebuilding fast. Factories were running day and night. Cities were expanding. Families were starting new lives filled with hope and uncertainty. Money moved quickly through the economy. Coins passed from hand to hand without a second thought. A penny was just a penny. No one stopped to examine it. No one imagined it could ever be important. At the Philadelphia Mint, machines struck millions of pennies to meet the nation's growing demand. These pennies carried no mint mark. That was completely normal at the time. Philadelphia coins were left unmarked. Denver and San Francisco coins were marked. Workers focused on speed and efficiency. The goal was simple. Produce coins. Release them into circulation. Keep the economy moving. No one inspected individual pennies. No one saved them. They were made to be spent. And yet, hidden among these millions of coins, small and silent mistakes were being created. The 1949 penny belonged to the famous Lincoln Wheat Penny series. This design had been in use since 1909. On the front was Abraham Lincoln. He was the 16th president of the United States. He was chosen not just as a historical figure. He was chosen as a symbol of unity and strength. In post-war America, his image carried meaning. On the back, 2 wheat stalks curved gently around the words 1 cent. The wheat stalks represented growth. They represented survival. They represented stability. The coin itself was made mostly of copper. It was solid and durable. It was designed to last through years of everyday use. And many of them did. What no one realized at the time was that the minting process was not perfect. Heavy machines struck coins at high speed. They worked day after day. Sometimes the metal dies shifted slightly. Sometimes the metal cracked. Sometimes the alignment was just a little off. These small imperfections created what collectors would later call error coins. In 1949, some pennies were struck with doubled letters or numbers. This doubling often appeared in the date. It sometimes appeared in the word liberty. Other pennies were struck off-center. Part of the coin was left blank. Some coins showed raised lines or bumps. These are caused by cracked dies. In rare cases, one coin was struck by another coin instead of a proper die. This created strange mirrored impressions. At the time, no one noticed. These pennies were spent on newspapers. They were spent on food. They were spent on bus tickets. Their mistakes traveled quietly through pockets and cash registers. They went completely unnoticed. Years passed. Decades passed. In 1959, the wheat penny design disappeared. It was replaced by the Lincoln Memorial reverse. Slowly, the old wheat pennies vanished from daily use. People stopped seeing them. They were pushed into jars. They were placed in drawers. They were forgotten in boxes. For a long time, The 1949 penny meant nothing to anyone. Then something changed. Collectors began to look back. Old coin jars were opened. Drawers left behind by parents and grandparents were searched. People started looking closer at old coins. Coins they had ignored for years. Suddenly, some 1949 pennies looked different. Letters appeared doubled. Designs were misaligned. Unusual marks stood out. Marks that should not have been there. What once looked like damage turned out to be something else entirely. They were rare mint errors. A 1-cent coin quietly transformed into a collector's item. Back in 1949, the value of this penny was simple. It was worth 1 cent. For many years after, it remained nearly worthless. In the 1960s and 1970s, most 1949 pennies were worth only a few cents. But time has a way of changing how we see things. Today, the value of a 1949 no-mint mark penny depends on its condition. It depends on its rarity. It depends on the type of error it carries. A heavily circulated coin may still be worth only a small amount. An uncirculated example can be worth much more. A rare error coin in excellent condition can sell for hundreds of dollars. Some can sell for thousands of dollars. Coins certified by professional grading services are now carefully sealed. They are protected. They are traded with respect. Collectors are not drawn to this penny only because of money. They're drawn to the story it tells. It represents post-war America. It represents a time of rebuilding and rapid production. It shows how human error can slip into even the most controlled systems. It survived decades of circulation. It survived neglect. It survived forgetfulness. It tells a quiet story, not a loud one. It is the kind of history that whispers instead of shouting. The 1949 no-mint Mark Lincoln wheat penny teaches a simple lesson. Not all treasures look valuable. Not all history is written in books. Sometimes the smallest objects carry the biggest stories. This penny was never meant to be special. Yet today, it is searched, it is studied, it is respected, and somewhere right now, another one may still be sitting quietly in a jar, unnoticed, holding its secret. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel Treasure Town, and press the bell icon for more hidden coin stories from around the world. And don't forget to comment below if you've ever found an old coin with a mysterious past.